Here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important operating system, which is Unix operating system. If you really do care about your privacy, you are really going to install this operating system. But this operating system is a very special operating system. This operating system is totally based on VirtualBox, so you obviously need this thing, which is VirtualBox. If you are using Windows operating system or Mac operating system, doesn't matter. All you have to do, you have to go to virtualbox.org. Then you'll be able to see this window, and here you'll be able to download it. It's very simple. So you can download VirtualBox, you can install it, and this is the icon. I have already installed my VirtualBox on my MacBook. So I'm using Mac operating system. Doesn't matter if you're using Windows operating system, it will work. So this Unix operating system, let me tell about some crazy things which is possible through this operating system. It is not only based on privacy, it is based on heavy security based privacy, where you're gonna get a workstation and a gateway, where the gateway will secure your network in a different operating system, which is the gateway operating system based on Unix, and another one is the Unix workstation, where you are going to browse all of your important and necessary things. So let's not waste any time. Let's go to the download menu. So here is it, the download option. So where are you going to install this? Download, install, run free. Oh, seems like it's so easy. It is easy. So choose your operating system. If you are a Windows user, basically it doesn't matter if you are in Windows user or Linux user or Mac user or Cubes. Cubes is a very important thing. I'll talk about it later. Or KVM, or if you want to use it on USB. So for any operating system, all you need is VirtualBox, this thing, VirtualBox. And if you have this VirtualBox, you can simply virtualize this Unix operating system. So I have already downloaded this VirtualBox and I have already installed it. Here is it. Let's open it. Okay, so here is my VirtualBox, and I don't have to do anything. All I have to do, I have to install this software, and let's go back to the Unix option. This is the Unix. I'm going to download it for my Mac operating system. So they're going to instruct me. Very simple. Okay, so here also they're saying that install VirtualBox, and second thing is download Unix for Mac OS. Okay, so here is the download link. Click here, and if you click here, then it will download the file. I have already downloaded this file. Here is my file, the Unix operating system. So I'm not going to download it. I'm not going to waste your time. So here it is. Let's see how to install this operating system. This is the simple Unix operating system, which is OVA format. OVA means Worker Virtual Machine format. So here we're going to double click, just like how you open your file, and this window is going to come up, and you're going to click import. Click here, agree. This is very simple, and it is importing. It is gonna take 1 minute, and okay, it's not gonna take that much time. Okay, so I'm already there. Alright, 22 seconds remaining. If you have heard about Tor browser, then it is going to help you to understand this operating system as well. Here it is. So This is system 1, system 2. This is, as I was talking about, the Wonix gateway here, and the second thing is workstation. Now in this video, look, I do not want to waste your time, so let's discuss about it, and let's close this Wonix operating system and its using techniques and everything on this one video. So here's the gateway. Most important thing, and most important thing is you are not going to use this operating system as your workstation, because here, for a security purpose, here is your very specific workstation. Here is it, Wonix workstation. Here is the operating system, as I was talking about, Wonix workstation. So you are going to use this one, where it is titled by workstation. Do not use this gateway, but you have to turn on this two operating system. You have to turn off this twice, otherwise you won't be able to connect to the internet. So the gateway is basically for accessing the internet, and it is going to create a container where your network and all other serious things like your information and everything are going to packed up inside this operating system, which is the Wonix gateway operating system. And Wonix workstation is going to get help by the gateway operating system. Only the Wonix workstation is going to get help the network related things like the network access from the gateway, but it is totally going to be encrypted, and workstation is not going to access any type of information from here. So this is a heavy security breach. So let's get started. So let's open it. Let's open the workstation as well. See, it's creating the virtual machine. Okay, see, it is the workstation. I'm going to use this window, and this is the gateway. This is going to help me to connect me to the Tor browser. So I also need it. I cannot close it, because if I close it, this operating system won't work, because I need to use this workstation as my workstation. So it's going to take some time. Okay, booting up. No worries about the screen, because we will be able to resize the screen as well. We're almost here. Okay. Boom. You're here. Awesome. This is the gateway. First thing first, we are going to go here. We're going to work on the gateway first. So here are some important messages, as you can see. Important information about Wonix part 1. This is the part 1. So here it is going to tell you that that you are going to connect to the internet, show this Wonix gateway, and if you understand everything, you can read this this book, by the way. So I don't need to read it, because I already understand and understood what I'm trying to do. So here, clicking here, that I'm agreeing with this, I understood, and click the next button. Again, understood, click the next button, and finish. And here it is going to connect you to the Tor browser. And see, this is the virtual machine, this is the virtual box, and this is the operating system. This is another operating system. This is the workstation. This is the gateway. Both are from Wonix, and these two operating systems are playing on virtual machine, and this virtual machine is installed on my Mac operating system, or if you are using Windows operating system, then you have to install this operating system as well. So here, am I connected? Okay, I'm not connected yet. So here I'm going to tap or select connect, and then go to next. Next again. Okay, it's working for me, and it's bootstrapping. here, and here's my workstation. Look, it's working. So here, part 1, I understood. Next, same thing, understood. Next, and then finish. Yes, this is my workstation. This is my Wonix workstation, and see, it's connected to the Tor network. Finish. Now I'm not going to touch this operating system, or I'm not going to use these features like terminal or here also. I mean, these two operating systems are almost same, but I'm only going to use this workstation, not the gateway. I'm telling you over and over again, because if you install two software and if you use this one, if you use the Wonix gateway, then it is very possible to trace you, because this is directly connected to the network. It doesn't matter that it's encrypted, but there has a possibility to know your information from this gateway. So we're not going to work on this. Here we have a very special thing. This window is very safe, and very safe. So here is it. It's also bootstrapping, so let's go to full screen. Let's see what happens. I'm going to click here, and for the screen resolution, I'm going to go here, view, and then virtual screen, and here auto scaled 200%. Okay, perfect size. Here is it. So here's the browser. Here, as you can see, this is the Tor browser. Here's the file management system. Here are other applications. Here are some very important applications that you need for using the desktop interface or file management system. This operating system is a little slow than other operating system. A very simple thing and very common thing as well. But this is a very serious operating system and very secure operating system that ever discovered before. So I will come up with the next special operating system, but not like this. That one is more special for some who does not have that much time, like if he wants to quit their work, if they want to quit their job, and if it is so much confidential, then they are going to install those type of softwares. So I will definitely talk about the next operating system, but for that you have to wait and you have to stay connected. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel Techxist, and I will obviously come with the new super tech related video, and maybe something a little techy, or maybe a little serious, or maybe security related thing, or some tools. Okay, I am talking too much, I think, so I should stop and shut down my mouth. Subscribe, please.